Excuse me? Could you help me find the birthday candles? It's my girlfriend's birthday today.
Your girlfriend's turning 41?
Ew! No. She's turning 14.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, yeah?
I'm looking for a fish, preferably with no teeth. Yo, bro, this guy's been like following me, like licking his finger behind you. Is that handcuffs? He just sniffed your... No, you saw that. Bro, if I could have any 3 superpowers, it would be untraceable DNA, unlimited stamina, and time stop. Yeah.
Why time stop? You're like a little resistance.
Bro, I know I said I wouldn't do it, but I made ice cream again. Yo, Big Ice. Yo. How you doing, man? I'm surprised you can still walk, man.